Hi, I'm Dr. Paul O'Connell of 3 Dental, and I'm going to talk to you about how to take care of your removable orthodontic appliance. So the most important thing with a removable appliance or device is that you follow the dentist's instructions. So when you're cleaning your removable appliance, there's no great secret to it. It's just a matter of taking it out and brushing it as you do your teeth with a little bit of water and with some toothpaste using your brush. Try to avoid using hot water with any removable appliance because sometimes it can melt them a bit. Storing your removable appliance is best done in the little box you'll be provided with by the clinic. Best to store them when they're a little bit moist rather than let them dry out completely. One of the biggest problems we have with any sort of removable appliance, and indeed any sort of retainer, is that people put them in tissue, put them down when they're having something to eat, and then they go to get them after the meal and someone's cleared it off the table. All orthodontic devices can initially cause a bit of discomfort as you get used to them. It's usually not particularly bad. Worst case scenario, you can take a painkiller, although we generally say that's not necessary. If the pain is very bad, it's usually a sign that there's something could be wrong, like for example, a nerve could be impinged or it could be cutting. So anything more than just a little bit of discomfort is probably best to check with the clinic. Some people tell us that when you first get an orthodontic appliance, your speech can be affected, and it can be, but it's usually very temporary. Usually if someone has done it Friday, by Monday their speech is back to normal. It's just a matter of getting used to the appliance. And with any removable appliance, we generally would recommend that you take it out when you're eating, unless you've been specifically instructed not to. So if you're interested in pursuing or looking into your smile further or correcting anything, the best thing to do would be just look us up at 3dental.ie or else ring one of our clinics in Dublin, Limerick or Galway.